Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the BMW Ix3 key battery. Start by flipping the key and releasing the mechanical blade using the small sliding latch next to the fob. Carefully insert a thin plastic pry tool into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves. Remove the old coin cell and replace it with a CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the fob closed and press the buttons to confirm it works. Prepare your workspace before opening the fob to make the swap quick and safe. Lay a clean cloth on a flat table and gather a CR2032 battery plus a plastic pry tool. Keep the mechanical key and any small parts organized so nothing goes missing. Use gentle controlled motions to avoid cracking the plastic or bending contacts. Take your time and check the replacement battery for the correct orientation before installing it. Begin by flipping out the mechanical key and setting it aside in a safe spot. Insert a thin plastic pry tool into the seam and work it around the fob to carefully release the internal clips without forcing them. Lift the top half away and note the battery orientation. Then remove the old CR2032 cell and place the new one in the same way. Reclip the halves together, reinsert the mechanical key, and test the remote functions and keyless entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.